Hello friends. What's up? Welcome to Amazing Top 10. I come back with a new amazing video. In this video you can see top 10 largest birds in the world. Hope this video gives you much pleasure. Let's have a nice trip and see top 10 largest birds in the world. Let's start. Number 10. Dalmatian Pelican. Dalmatian Pelican is one of the heaviest flying bird in the world. They native to Europe and South Asia. This large bird grow up to a length of 6 feet and weigh between 12 and 14 kilograms. The wingspan of an adult Dalmatian pelican measures up to 9 feet. They look exactly like great white pelicans. But Dalmatian pelicans are larger in size. Number 9. Mute swan. Mute swan is a large water bird that grows up to a size of 5 feet and weigh between 12 and 13 kilograms. They are native to European countries. The cute S-necked mute swans also have a wingspan of 8 feet. They feed on aquatic vegetation, insects, and small fishes. The long neck help mute swans to find food easily under the water surface. Number 8. Wandering albatross. Measuring from 8.3 feet to 11 feet, wandering albatross has largest wingspan of any bird. This large, beautiful bird is native to southern and North Pacific Ocean. There are 24 different species of albatross in total. Weighing up to 12 kilograms, wandering albatross is biggest among the family. Number 7. Andean condor. Andean condor is one of members of the vulture family. This large bird found in the Andes Mountains and South American coasts. They grows up to a height of 1.2 meters and weigh up to 15 kilograms. The enormous, 10 feet wingspan also reflect Andean condor's size. This large wingspan also aid to make flight with their massive body. Number 6. Great Rheas. The flightless great Rheas is the largest bird of South America. They have a body length between 4.1 feet and 4.5 feet and weigh up to 27 kilograms. The large wings of great Rheas are useless for flying, but they use these large wings for balancing their body while moving. The wings also help them to changing direction while running. Number 5. Cassowary bustard. Weighing up to 20 kilograms, the cassowary bustard is the largest flying bird in the world, native to Africa. Male cassowary bustard is 2 times much heavier than that of the female. This 4 feet long bird has a wide wingspan that measures up to 9 feet. Number 4. Emperor penguin. Emperor penguins are the tallest and heaviest species of penguin. They only can be seen in Antarctica. Emperor penguins can stand up to a height of 45 inches and weigh up to 45 kilograms. They travel up to 80 kilometers in searching for food and can dive up to a depth of 1,500 feet. Emperor penguins mainly feed on fishes, squids, and creoles. Number 3. Southern cassowary. Native to tropical rainforests of Indonesia and Australia, southern cassowary is the second largest bird in the world. This large, dark flightless bird measures 5.1 feet in height and 75 to 80 kilograms in weight. Their bills also have a length up to 7.5 inches. Number 2. Emu. Emu is the largest flightless bird of Australia. They stand up to a height of 6 feet and weighs up to 60 kilograms. They live in the savannas, woodlands and other forest ranges of Australia. Emus feed on plants, seeds, fruits, lizards and other insects. Interestingly, emus also swallowed pebbles for grilling the food they ate. Number 1. Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest living bird in the world. An adult ostrich weighs up to 150 kilograms and has a height of 6 feet. They also held the record of the fastest speed of any bird in the land and largest tag of any living birds. The flightless ostriches are native to Africa. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, throw us likes, gives comments and share with your friends. Thank you.